This 2018 Jayco Eagle HT 30.5 M-Lock is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Seguin, Texas, 78155 and is offered for sale by Seguin RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 34 feet 6 inches in length and features Sleeps 4, DVD player, external shower, auxiliary battery, air conditioning, slide-out, smoke detector, water heater, awning, stovetop burner, refrigerator, and 43 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2018 Jayco Eagle HT 30.5 M-Lock is 8,400 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Seguin RV.